Insert multiple rows. In this video, we will learn how to insert multiple records in table. In our previous video, we had learned how to insert record in a table, but using that syntax, we can only insert one row at a time. So here we will learn how to insert multiple rows at a time using SQL query. So here we have syntax insert into table name, and then we will write the column list, then values, and inside the parenthesis we will write the values for this column, and we will write the values for multiple rows using comma separator. So let's see how can we do this using SQL server. So here first we will open the new query editor. From here I'll select database, student management, and we have table. Now we have this table person. So let's see how many records we have in this table. Select star from person. Alright, now select this. We have one record. Now let's insert multiple records for this table. Insert into table name, then column name, ID and name, then values, and here we will write first row. Alright, then comma, fine, then alright. Now we had write this statement for 3 rows. Now select this and execute this. See, 3 rows affected. Now select this. See, your records has been inserted. Alright. So as we had inserted records using SQL query, we can insert it from here as well. So first select table, then right click, and here you will find added top 200 rows. And from here you can enter records for this table. Alright. So from here as well we can enter multiple records. So this is how we can enter records, and come here and then select your table and execute this. See, that data also entered in this table. So what we had learned in this tutorial, we had learned how to insert multiple records at one time using SQL query and directly from SQL Server Management Studio tool. Thank you.